Hey YouTube, it's Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing to do today, and actually it's more of a reveal because this is take two, and the first part I was blah 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 talking, thinking that I was recording, and I was not. So I've already opened up the package, but this is the new Chic Sparrow that I purchased. I just wanted to give you my initial thoughts and impressions. It is a new cover to me. I've never had this version of the Chic Sparrow before. Really looking forward to using this going into our fiscal year 2023 for my job, and just using it going forward. It is supposed to fit a A5 Leuchtturm, so I've got a A5 Stalogy off camera that I'm going to try to slide in to see if that fits. I'm hoping that one is as interchangeable as the other, so let's get into it. Like I said, I already opened it because I thought I was recording on camera, and I was not, to my chagrin. But yeah, typical Chic Sparrow paper, which is really lovely. Just make sure I take my personal information away. I'm very stoked about this particular item. Like I said, I've never had it before. What am I filling here? I've got the warranty card and product information, care card instructions, and then we've got a new sticker. So this one is, I've never had this one, Faith, Shop, and Love. Been doing way too much shopping lately, but enjoying it nonetheless. And then here is, it's a little stinky, I'll tell you that. I've been getting kind of stinky leathers from Chic Sparrow, and their advice in the world of Chic Sparrow, which is a little bit disheartening, is to put it in a box for like 3 weeks with baking soda. I kind of feel like you need to do that for the customer, so the customer doesn't need to do that themselves, Chic Sparrow. But be that as it may, I will probably just stick some dryer sheets, is what I usually do, and that kind of gets rid of the stench, and I think over time the stench hopefully will go away. I was watching a video by Sarah Martinez, and she's had that experience with Chic Sparrow leathers where they're just, one was just god-awfully reeky, but I'm hoping that with this one it goes away. It's a beautiful, this is the Austin leather. It comes in 3 other colors besides this one. They have it in the Drummond, and they also have it in a black and one other color. I think it's natural, but I'll put it down below here or up in a card over here. I do have an affiliate link with Chic Sparrow, so if anybody wants to use that, you'll get 10% off of your order. It adds up after a while. Maybe it'll take care of your shipping costs, but nonetheless, let's get into it. Nice firm stamp, and I do like this about the number 8, which is one of the reasons why I decided to get this is because I don't have one Chic Sparrow with a snap closure. Very firm. Hopefully that'll loosen up with time. And I bought one dashboard. So these are the only 2 items that I bought on this particular haul. I love Chic Sparrow's dashboards. I think she makes some of the best dashboards in the industry by far and bar none. She even has her branding right there. And then there's this one. So I've got a A5 Stalogy off from the camera. Let's just go ahead and put this in here. And I've got one fountain pen floating around here. The pin loop in this Chic Sparrow is right here. And so there's no need for a removable clip. It should hopefully fit. I'm gonna go ahead and take these scissors and run it along so I can get rid of any glue that might be in here in excess. This is a really good tip that I learned watching, I think it was the Badass Valkyrie on YouTube years ago, just to kind of make sure it has no sticky leather pieces or bits, the glue where they kind of seal that in. So if you're sliding it in to the book using the flaps, which I won't be doing, but as you can see, it'll slide right in quite naturally into that. I don't normally slide stuff. I usually put ephemera Post-it notes, that kind of thing. And let's see here. Just use the last string for this example. It looks like this is going to be not a problem. So this is a half-year Stalogy, and then I'll put the dashboard in here so I can stick other bits of ephemera for work in here, which is usually calendar stickers and such. So that fits quite nicely. I also, on another video, I've got another notebook that I think I'm going to slide into this one, but I do like, you know, that I can just take this for work and it's all kind of contained. Oh, let's see here. I'm looking for, there we go, there's the snap. Oh, I was looking for the fountain pen. This is my little Diplomat Magnum pen that I got recently, that I also have a video on my first thoughts with that one. So the pen fits like so. It's a little bit tight on an A5. So I may, and this is why I wanted to use the other notebook that I have, I may find myself cutting down this A5 and just taking off a little bit, like an inch, so that it does do what it's doing here, which is laying flush. Because once you put the flap over it, it kind of takes up some space. So it does need to be cut down on the A5 Stalogy, but it does fit. I'm going to have to cut my A5s down. So I'll probably go forward with the Stalogy for FY23 or 2023, but that's what it looks like. Absolutely, sorry about shaking my camera, absolutely like the striations of the fat rolls of the leather. It's absolutely perfect. I'm hoping that this patinas with time, which I think it will, which is another reason why I got it. Love the flaps. So I'm really, overall, I'm really happy with this. Chic Sparrow will probably have a lot of sales, or quite a few sales, between now and the end of the year, because there's certain holidays that are coming off. So you might find this on sale anywhere from 10 to 15% off, but you can always get 10% off, like I said, by using my affiliate codes below. Really happy with the purchase. Just wish it did not smell like it does. But I will work on trying to get rid of the funk that's in the leather. Sometimes that happens. But otherwise, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. I'm getting ready for 2023, so I've got more content coming out. So please make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. Otherwise, until next time, take care. Bye.